episode of Puppet Storytime with your host, me, Newton. Today, we are going to read a book called, Mom, there we go, I Am Human by Susan Verde. Oh, did you know Verde is Spanish for green? Yeah, one of my two favorite colors. And the artwork is by Peter H. Reynolds. Now, I have a disclaimer to make. Of course, as you know, thank you, Mom, thank you. As you know, I am not human. I am a puppet. But I think I can relate to a lot of the ideas in this book. And I know you can relate to them because you are human. So I just wanted to say that because it feels a little weird when I'm reading it saying, I am human. Even though I'm not. But you get the gist. Okay, let's read. See you inside the book. Bye! I Am Human by Susan Verde. Art by Peter H. Reynolds. I was born. A miracle! One of billions, but unique. I am human. Well, actually, I'm a puppet, but I can relate. I am always learning. I'm finding my way and choosing my path on this incredible journey. I have big dreams. I see possibility. I have endless curiosity. I make discoveries. I have a feeling of wonder. I am amazed by nature. I have a playful side. I find joy in friendships. I am human. But being human means I am not perfect. I make mistakes. I can hurt others with my words, my actions, and even my silence. I can be hurt too. Me, a puppet, I can also be hurt. I can be fearful of things I don't understand and timid to try something new. I have a heavy heart when I feel sadness. I am human. But then I remind myself that because I am human, I can make choices. I can move forward. A poor choice can become a better choice with thoughtfulness. A bad day can become a great day with kindness. I can act with compassion and lend a helping hand. Yeah, that's a very helping hand. I can treat others with equality and be fair. I can choose not to fight, but to listen and find common ground. I can say, I'm sorry, and ask for forgiveness. Will you forgive me? I am human, one of billions, but unique. I am not alone. I am connected to my friends, to my family, to the world. We are humans together. And I will keep trying to be the best version of me. I am full of hope. I am human. The end. Wow, that was a great book. I hope you liked it, kids. Yeah, I certainly did. You know, even though I'm not human, I can relate to so many of those ideas in the book. I felt the same way that the human writer felt. So I guess things go across even humanness to other creatures. Yeah. Okay, so this week, instead of singing a song, I thought we'd try something different because I noticed in the back of the book, Mom, could you show us the back of the book? Yes, right there. There is, oh, don't worry. I know the words are small. You don't have to read it. I just wanted to show you that in the book is a meditation. Okay, Mom, thanks. Are you like, what's a meditation? Well, a meditation is when you get yourself centered in a calm space by focusing on your breathing. And then in this meditation, we send out loving words to our friends, to strangers, and to ourselves. Would you like to try it with me? Let's just try it and see. What do you say? Okay? All right. Here are the words of our meditation. These words were written by the author, Susan Verde. One wonderful way to share love and kindness with all humans is to practice a loving kindness meditation. This practice can help you in your mind and in your body, and of course, in your heart. It also helps us to relax. Let's try it and see. You're going to repeat these words after me. May you be healthy. May you be happy. May you be free from suffering. May you be filled with peace. Okay, now, those are the words we're going to say. So, what you're going to do is start by sitting comfortably with your eyes closed. Breathe in and out slowly through your nose and notice your breath fill your body. Now, imagine that someone that you love is sitting in front of you. And you're going to say our special words to the person you're imagining sitting in front of you that you love. Ready? You can repeat after me. May you be healthy. May you be happy. May you be free from suffering. May you be filled with peace. Now, imagine someone that you might have some challenges with right now. Maybe it's a brother or sister. Maybe it's a friend. Somebody that you're having a hard time with right now. Now, you're going to imagine them sitting in front of you, and we're going to say those same words to that person. Ready? May you be healthy. May you be happy. May you be free from suffering. May you be filled with peace. Next, we're going to bring to mind other humans on this planet who might need love, compassion, and kindness. These could be strangers, people you don't know. It could be everyone in the whole entire world. And if you have a hard time picturing every single person's face, which would be pretty hard, you could just picture a picture of the earth, and that means everyone on earth. Okay, let's say the words again. May you be healthy. May you be happy. May you be free from suffering. May you be filled with peace. Lastly, we're going to say these words for ourselves. Sometimes we forget about ourselves when we're sending love, but we need to send loves to ourselves too. So let's say it for us. Okay, fill your own heart space with love for yourself as you say these words. Repeat after me. May I be healthy. May I be happy. May I be free from suffering. May I be filled with peace. Now, take a moment and notice how this practice makes you feel. We have the power to learn, to grow, and to love. We are filled with possibility. We are human. Well, that was different. Thank you so much for being willing to try something new with me today. I hope it helped you feel more relaxed and opened your heart space to send out more love. Because more love you send out, the more you get back. Yeah, it's funny how that works, but it's true. So until next time, have fun being human and have a wonderful week. And don't forget to stay awesome. And don't forget that you are enough because you're human. Yay, you! I love you. Mwah! Bye! One wonderful way to share love and kindness with all humans. Uh-oh, I've got a string on my chin. Cut!